Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to use the T80 Ferrari 488 GTB edition. First, connect the wheel's USB cable to your gaming console or PC. Next, ensure the pedal set is securely plugged into the wheelbase. Finally, use the integrated clamping system to firmly attach the racing wheel to a stable desk or table. This ensures a secure and immersive racing experience right from the start. Make sure all connections are snug before powering on your system. Let's explore the controls. The T80 Ferrari 488 GTB edition boasts 11 action buttons and a precise D-pad, giving you full command over your in-game menus and functions. You'll also find 2 sequential paddle shifters conveniently placed behind the wheel for quick gear changes. The included pedal set provides an accelerator and a brake pedal, offering realistic control for your virtual driving. Familiarizing yourself with these will enhance your racing performance. To get the most out of your T80, consider adjusting in-game steering sensitivity to match your driving style. Practice smooth, controlled steering inputs and consistent pressure on the accelerator and brake pedals for better lap times. If you notice any issues, you can often calibrate the wheel and pedals directly through your console or PC's peripheral settings. This ensures precise responsiveness and a more enjoyable racing simulation. For longevity, regularly clean your T80 Ferrari 488 GTB edition with a soft, dry cloth, avoiding harsh chemicals. When not in use, store the unit in a dust-free environment to protect its components. This simple maintenance helps ensure consistent performance. Also, for a fresh driving experience, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Keeping your gear in top shape and your surroundings pleasant makes every race better.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.